Hello, welcome to another video. Today we'll be discussing the season cards. Okay, so these are available, flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Go download them, free posters, free flashcards for everybody, and even free worksheets. So here we go, we got spring, summer, fall and winter. Now on the website you can download these. I also have a version with autumn in it, so if you're from the UK you can use them too. So you can either teach in spring or in the spring, it depends where you're from, but it's going to be easier if you teach just in spring, in summer, in fall, in winter, or so on and so forth. You can choose. What I'd suggest when you teach this is combine it with something that they already know. So for example, if they already know fruit and vegetables, maybe you create an exercise where they are deciding when these vegetables or fruits arrive. So what you can say is, I eat strawberries in the spring, I eat watermelon in the summer, I eat pumpkin in the fall, I eat carrots in the winter, okay? So something like that. I think you get the gist. I may have made a mistake there, I'm sorry if I did. But anyway, these are what they're for. You can print small cards, big cards, whatever you want. The last thing I'll say is whenever you do an event, sometimes it's good to do that too. So for example, if it's Thanksgiving, you can say, oh, Thanksgiving in the fall, and you can list the events, okay? So depending from where you're from, you can research what events happen in your country, and then you can put them, okay? So an easy example would be putting Christmas in the winter, okay? Or something like that. So there's 100 different ways that you could do this, but I hope these cards help you out. Please write in the comments if you have any suggestions or any tips for other teachers. And yeah, go download these and the poster from www.flashcardsforkindergarten.com. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.